Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another upgrade that you didn't know you needed until today. Also guys, if you like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and let me know what you think, because it keeps the modifications coming in for future videos, and your ideas are what's fueling this channel. So let's get back into it. When it comes to the wheel wells on the GMC Sierra, the wheel wells are very boxy, and if you want to do anything with your truck regarding larger tires, higher offset wheels, anything like that, you're going to run into issues with fitment. There's some aesthetics that come into this as well. Forgive the shadow here, but what we're going to be talking about is this factory mud flap that comes in all the Sierras now, and as well as in the back. We have one in the front, one in the rear. Now, some people really like the way these look, some people hate the way they look. So this is going to help everybody. Now, this big mud flap right here is really going to get caught up when you put a larger tire or you have a wheel that sticks out or a lower offset. This is going to be the culprit of a lot of your rubbing right here. So what Sharp Truck did was they came up with these molded plastic caps that remove all three of your mud flaps, the front, the one that's in front of your rear tire, and the rear mud flap. This is the only tool you'll need for the job. One here, two on the bottom. Once you have all your hardware, there's 4 screws all together. Once you get your 4 screws undone, it should be as easy as do it without looking. Since I don't read your instructions, I probably would have seen that there was a tab there, which is fine. Now it's out. You can see how large this mud flap is when it's removed. All this space is now cleared up for larger tires in here. Anytime you take something off like this, you're gonna want to at least wipe it down, because you're gonna just seal everything back up in there with another tight, flush fitting piece. Now all of these are nicely labeled right hand front, so let's see if this matches up. But that looks like that's going to be the right fit right here. So you're not going to use every hole. You're only going to use the ones that you took out of the factory location. You'll have one hole left over for a mud flap, but you can already see that's just a nice clean finish. All right, let's get this rear knocked out. It's going to be the same process, same steps. Really should only take a couple minutes. So guys, with that, we're running out of daylight, so we're gonna have to get out of here. Comment what you think about these caps. Let me know if you think this is worthwhile or if there was another way to do this. But in my mind, this is the easiest bolt-on to get your larger tires in there and kind of figure out the felt liner after the fact. It's a good solution if you just don't want mud flaps as well, because then you don't have like a awkward cut there if you're trying to get rid of it for a nice clean look. Anyways, I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.